Hey everybody, I got a few books back from CGC. Thought I would just show you those real quick. This is a modern regular submission, not a pre-screen, anything like that. Usually when I send it regular, it's just because, I think it's maybe an outside chance of 9.8 or borderline. And I just go ahead and submit it regular and let's just get the grade we get and move on to the next book. But let me go ahead and get them unboxed and let's take a look. All right, I got them unboxed. I'm going to reach down there and just grab them at random. Let's just see what happens. Alright, X-Men 211. Let me check my notes on this one. I bought it as a 9.0. I think it was a raw book. And I got it for $11. And I thought it was a borderline 9.6, 9.8 potential. But after I was done, I have it as a solid 9.6. So it's just one of those books that could go either way. And by the way, I didn't point out that this is the newsstand. Worth quite a bit of money in a 9.8, but I paid $11, so I'll take any grade on it pretty much. So let's just check. Okay, 9.6, we will take that. Did get off-white to white pages, which I'm not surprised by. I mean, you can kind of see it's got kind of the patina to it there on the edges. So, yeah, not really surprised by that grade or, the off-white to white pages either. So let's get the next one. Alright, X-Men 266 newsstand. And I bought this as a slab 9.4. I actually bought this from Bry's Comics. And I thought it looked a lot better online than it actually turned out to be. I think it's kind of a stretch even to get 9.6 on this book. I have it just staying as a 9.4. Once I cracked it out, it was just a little bit too much. There's no way it's going to get 9.8. Maybe an outside chance of 9.6. So let's just find out. Okay, yeah, we'll take 9.6 white pages. Probably going to lose a little bit of money on that one, but, sometimes it just happens, it looks really good online, and you buy it, comes in, oops. But, and sometimes this one in particular, the worst ones are when you crack them out, then you notice that. So you get fooled. I mean, somebody was saying recently that, looking at a book in a slab or a board and bag, it's kind of like having beer goggles. So, yeah, you really can't see the full story until you get it out of that slab and look at it under a close inspection with light. All right, next one. I mean, I might get no 9.8s in this one. It's fine. Not really a big deal. Okay, next one is a beautiful purple cover, X-Men number 242. Paid $11 for this one. I think it was part of the same lot that I got the 211. And, yeah, I had this as a borderline 9.6, 9.8. I thought it was about a 9.4 when it came in, when I got it originally. So, yeah, 9.6, 9.8, I will take it. Okay, yeah, we got a 9.8. Off-white to white, once again, part of the same lot. Had a little bit of off-white issues, but that's okay. All right, next one. Oh yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous X-Men number 134 newsstand edition. Has quite a bit of value at 9.8. I did pay $137 is all I paid for this as a 9.2. So yeah, got it for a really good price. So we'll take anything. I have it as a borderline, once again, 9.6, 9.8. Let's find out. Yes! That might be the biggest book in this submission, I think, value-wise. I'm not sure. I do have one more book that might be worth... I don't even know the values on these anymore. Newsstand matters, so I know the raw values of them, but I just don't remember the newsstand on that one. The next one, I know there's one more in here, and this is not my book. This is the one that I obviously get more nervous about other people's books than mine. I'm really rooting for this guy to get the 9.8. I don't know if it's going to happen because it had a couple color breaks on the spine. Beautiful otherwise, but I think it's right at that limit where you can get 9.8, but it's not by any means a shoe-in, So let's go ahead and this has got to be the one. If I pull out a different book, something ain't right. Okay, Secret Wars number 8. It is the newsstand edition. Those color breaks. Oh, it's hard to see. I don't have my old man glasses on, so we'll just have to take my word for it on that. My notes, otherwise, you know what? I didn't even remember that. Okay, I kind of had a feeling. I have a feeling on the grade on this one. I'll tell you why after we reveal it. So let's just see. I had it as a 9.6, solid 9.6 though. And we got the 9.8. Okay, I just completely forgot. I got a email from CGC, and they actually upcharged this one, put it into a higher tier, and now we know why, because it got the 9.8. So yeah, perfectly happy paying that extra bit of money. I'm sure the customer will be, to get that beautiful 9.8 grade. I mean, except for, I can't even find it now. I mean, I don't know what I'm thinking sometimes. Because once I get them in the slab at home like this, you get it under perfect lighting with reading glasses, everything's magnified, you see like these micro color breaks, and sometimes I grade a little bit too harshly because of that, I think. But, I mean, it looks every bit like a 9.8 from here. So yeah, don't forget, if you want to learn how to do this, go to improvecollecting.com and click the join button. We would love to have you in our cleaning and pressing community, where I teach people basically to buy, how to sell, how to clean and press, the whole process that gets me to doing what I'm doing here, kind of my dream job, I guess. Buying and selling, cleaning and pressing books. I mean, I'm playing with comic books all day. I mean, it can't get any better than that. And I'm making money doing it. It's just ridiculous. But anybody can learn to do this in just no time at all. Depends on your background, but it could be a few months, could be a year. And you can make a great side income, if not a living, doing this with comic books. It's just, I wake up every day and it's like a dream. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay nerdy. I will see you in the next video.